I'm Bree, an area sales manager with DR Horton, and I'm standing right in the middle of our flagship community, Blake Farm. Blake Farm is conveniently located just 5 minutes from the shopping and dining in Porter's Neck, and then just 25 minutes to Wrightsville Beach or downtown Wilmington. It's the best of both worlds. This community has a floor plan that's perfect for everyone. You can choose one of our adorable alley load style cottages, or even something a bit larger with a huge backyard for your dogs to run and play. Right behind me is the future site of the community amenities. There's going to be a beautiful clubhouse, a giant pool with a splash pad and a water slide, and even a fire pit so that you can enjoy a cozy fire with your new neighbors. Blake Farm is located right across the street from Poplar Grove and the Abbey Nature Preserve, so that you can enjoy walking trails, overlooks, and all of the beautiful nature that North Carolina has to offer. They even have an incredible farmers market. Contact us today and take advantage of below market interest rates, closing cost incentives, and even pre-sale opportunities where you can pick the perfect home on the perfect home site.